How's it going? Sandra's here from sztech and TV, and today we have a product that gets the job done, does what it's supposed to do, but it sucks. It's a vacuum cleaner. It sucks. That's so stupid. So company Brigii reached out to me and sent me these products, and first I was like, okay, why would I be interested in the little vacuum cleaner? But all other additional things that kind of comes with it, and the practicality and the price range kind of made it appealing to me. So they sent me these two products, and maybe you can tell I already kind of used this one. So there's several things why I like this and why I'm actually convinced that every household should have this type of vacuum cleaner. Now first, it's very practical to use it. Whenever you're going to vacuum some corners, some shelves or something where usually you get a lot of dust and you don't vacuum it often, this is very practical. Now, what are these other accessories? All these things? Well, that is because this vacuum cleaner is not just a vacuum, it's also air duster and a hand pump. So now, in the house, you have a little product that gets a lot of it done. Here, I brought a little bit of sand from a letterbox because that was the best way to represent you. That it gets the job done. Press long. Pretty powerful. There we go. Table clean. Turn off. Now what is cool is when you take this off, nothing's gonna... Okay, maybe a little bit. Well, so they could improve that part a little bit better because I was not expecting nothing to fall out. Now here we found one little thing that can be improved. Okay, but when you're gonna actually do that, you're probably gonna vacuum it up, as we're gonna do it again. And you're gonna be done, and you're gonna put this up, and it's clean. Now we're gonna empty it again. There we go. Everything that we vacuumed. Now this is clean. This is filter, clean. Has a really good filter, really good seal. I can find this being very practical in upholstery. So how about we jump to a friend of mine and he's gonna show how it is to use this vacuum in a car. Hey David, you wanna check this out?
Yeah, what you got, man?
Check it out.
What's this about?
It's a small vacuum cleaner that is also air duster and has a couple other functions. And I think you would be the perfect person to show how useful this is. For example, inside of the car. How you like that piece? Do you think that you could easily slide that in between the seat and the middle console?
For sure.
And you don't have to deal with the cable or nothing. It's super easy to empty it out.
I got a car over there. Let's go check it out, man. See what we can do.
Let's go.
I'll tell you what, Sandro, this thing's pretty powerful.
Yeah? Let's check it out.
Yeah, it's super convenient too, getting down in some of these tight spaces. You know, I love a good shop vac, and you gotta have a shop vac. But when you think about using a shop vac, something big and bulky, it's hard to get down where you really want into those tight spots. And this is just, I've always talked about would it be nice to have a nice, smaller vacuum that's convenient. And this gives you everything you need. Like I said, it's powerful. It's good for detail. Now, is it going to work out for your big jobs? No, but that's not what you need it for. You need to be able to get down in these tight spots in between these seats. You see that trash down in there? It just gets it right out of those cracks. And it doesn't affect the leather. What I love too is that if you want, you can attach this blower. I'm going to show you some more applications later. But sometimes you just want to get some stuff out, and you can see it just blowing out. Get it down into the carpet where you can get it with the bigger vacuum. Tight spots like in here, you can't really get in here. Now, we detailed this earlier and blew this out, but if you're just vacuuming your car, it's so important to be able to get that dirt and grime that you really can't vacuum. You can see it just blowing out. Pop your attachment off, and then you're right back to work, getting everything you need where you need it. You can't do this with a big vacuum, so that's super impressive. I already love this thing. Something else I was thinking about too, so on this one, this is an older 1990 ZR1, and we're doing some more seals. Now when you're doing these seals, it's important to be able to clean all the old residue, because if you don't, you won't be able to get that new seal in there properly. The great thing about something like this is that you can just hold that button down until it starts. Work your way right into those cracks. And when it's not sucking up, you can blow out and really get everything nice and clean. I think one of the keys is, I've been doing this for 20 years in the automotive industry. If you don't have the proper tools, you can't do the job right. And this is definitely a convenient tool for getting those small detailed areas that you need when detailing a car. So I like it. I need one.
Well, you got it. It's yours. Also, it has these extensions here, and they are good if you need to, let's say, store something. You have a plastic bag and it gets full of the air. You want to take some of the air out. No problem. So you just turn the vacuum cleaner. You put it. You have a suction cup. I feel like this here should be a little bit better quality. So this is version 1, this is version 2. Version 2 doesn't have that button nowhere. So whenever you need to empty it, just unlock it, pop this out. Now it's the same thing with this one. You can unlock it, pop it out, and empty it. But also they made this quick release. So in a way, if you don't want to move here, nothing, just take this down and open it. But we saw what can be the flaw of that. Now, of course, you probably ain't gonna do that either with the vacuum cleaner, but in case it falls, that might happen on this one, but on this one it's not. So, as a conclusion, would I recommend these vacuum cleaners? I would. Very good quality, very sturdy. They took care of the details as a USB-C, very good seal. They give you a lot of attachments. So now you can keep your house, your car clean. You can also charge it in a car, just plug it in. It's the same as your phone. And you're good to go. Whatever trip you go on, you can keep your car clean. And in a house, you can keep all the little dusty spots that you can't take a big vacuum cleaner to. You can keep all that clean with this one. So yes, I really like it. Like as I said, powerful, a lot of different attachments. It's also an air duster, or whatever you need, not just a vacuum cleaner. So yeah, definitely check it out, Brigii site. And thanks to Brigii that they sent me these products. I'll definitely be happy to use one in the car, one in the house, and keep my house clean. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.